to the village. I'm again Halloween house.
Check. Icing. Check. Candy corn. Ew. Check. Whatever these are. Check.
Candy
Sprinkles. Check. More candy corn. This is the before. This is TJ's house. This is Ava's house. This is Bay's house.
This is my house.
And this is my house. Hola.
Hola.
Yeah.
None. Excuses already. Why are you getting your house? Come here. This is what his house looking like at this point. See how fast that was? Skills.
Mommy.
Ooh, look, you missed it.
Can I eat it?
No.
Hey, go ahead, cause you ain't gonna have no house. That's why he wanted to play, cause he just wanted to eat.
Magic. Magic.
Your house.
Okay, thank you, baby. My house. Where your house?
Look, today you gotta make your house. You gotta decorate it.
Ooh, I don't know about that roof work.
What?
Wait, you ain't gonna put this other side on first?
Well, that's where all the icing been going. The right house. Look at that. Look crazy.
Look, I'm making a 100 house.
Yeah, it's definitely honey. Homeboy trying to eat extra house and going somewhere. What's up with your house?
Contestants number 1, you already know I'm coming with a deal. If you are looking for a deeply discounted property, here you go. This one's just for you. Equity. Contestant number 2, tell me about yours. What is this?
Got a nice little walkway. Watch out for the nonsense, the stones in the back. You feel me? You see the roof and the bats chilling on the roof. It's a bat house.
Oh, contestant number 3.
Hello. Little person. This is my drip walkway. We have little persons trying to go in the house. A bodyguard. Don't forget the little jawbreakers.
This is what contestant number 4 is bringing. And he just got told he cannot have any more candy.
See you over here tweeting.
It was on the condemned list.
The money and the fam is the only thing I need.